So it's raining huge discount offers on the Great Indian Festival sale. So starting off with the cheapest Star Vista dashcam which you can buy under the 5000 segment, that's a 70mm M200. So this dash camera normally trends at 4,999 but is now available at a price of about 4,700. Gets Star Vista IMX 662, gets full HD with HDR along with voice control. Definitely one to consider if you are someone who prefers to have a Star Vista camera but doesn't have a budget beyond 5000 rupees. This camera has a fine quality, gives you good number plate readability during night time because of the Star Vista sensor. If you don't want a Star Vista sensor, you can proceed with the 70mm M310 coming in at a price of about 3200 rupees. Now this gives you a 2K resolution, gives you a Type-C interface, gives you voice control and also gives you an extra storage like close to about 256 GB worth of storage. The build quality of the M310 is super standard and doesn't feel like it's a less than 5000 price bracket segment dash camera. But if you prefer a bit more and you want a GPS in your dash cam, you want a mini screen and you still want to keep the budget low, coming in at a price of about 4200 in this sale, which usually other time comes at 4999. I'm talking about the Nexdigitron ACE 2. So this camera gives you a 2K resolution, gives you a 1-inch mini screen, gives you GPS and gives you a very fine video quality. Now coming in close to 4000 rupees, this is a total value for money. This is a banger deal right there. So someone who is very constrained about their budgets and have like around 4 to 5000 budget only, the M200, the M310 and the Nexdigitron ACE 2 have a super power packed value for money option in this Amazon sale. But all three cameras which I just mentioned are single front channel only. What if you want a dual channel dash cam around the price bracket of 5000 rupees? Well, you can proceed with the MyFitSpark Wi-Fi Duo option. Normally trends at 5999 but is now available at about 5100 rupees. So this camera also offers you a 2.7-inch IPS display, gives you a 2-inch screen and gives you a built-in Wi-Fi. Of course, having a large screen within this price segment is very unique. So you can consider the MyFitSpark Wi-Fi Duo option at a price of about 5100 rupees. That being said, moving on to the next option, you can also consider the Onelap Vidsure, which is also available at a similar price, about 5200 to 5300 rupees. So this dash camera gives you an upscaled 4K resolution, gives you Star Vista IMX 335, gives you a dual channel setup, also gives you a mini 1.47-inch display along with a dual port charger. Now I very recently reviewed the Onelap Vidsure 3K dash cam and you can of course take a look at that review video for a detailed info. But this is also a very refined and a very premium dash cam and coming in at a price of close to 5000. Crazy deal. I mean, really cannot believe prices are dropping down so much that you can simply buy such value for money cameras within this Amazon sale. That being said, moving on to the next option, I'm talking about the Qubo Pro 2.7K. So this trends at about 5800 to 900 rupees for the dual channel variant, gives you a 2.7K resolution, gives you a display at the back. I personally have tried this camera and the video quality is quite nice, especially during night time. Gives you the similar levels of a Star Vista sensor image even though it doesn't have a Star Vista 2. This camera also is very unique because this gives you storage space of up to 1 TB SD card, which means practically unlimited storage. And of course, I have recently reviewed this camera. You can take a look at that review video as well. So less than 6000 rupees, you kind of have many options in the dual channel segment. So definitely it might get a bit confusing, but do consider the dash cams which I'm mentioning and you can just select one among the one which I'm mentioning in this video. Moving on to the next option, coming in at a price of about 6200 rupees right now, but normally trends at close to 7000. I'm talking about the MyFitSpark DC-101 Pro ADAS. So this is more or less similar to the DC-101 Wi-Fi Duo model, but the only difference being this gives you 4 advanced ADAS features built into this camera. Now I have personally tried out the ADAS features of this dash cam and they are super accurate and well worth the money you want to invest in them. So if you are someone who prioritizes having a ADAS feature in their camera, up to 4 ADAS features around the price bracket of 6000 rupees, definitely this is the camera to consider. And of course, if you also want to have some parking monitoring out of this camera, you can also consider buying this camera from the MyFitSpark website, wherein currently they're offering a free hardware kit at the purchase of any of their MyFitSpark models. But if you don't want parking monitoring, you can go ahead with this camera straight up from Amazon, wherein the hardware kit is not available. But moving on to a slightly more premium option from the same brand, that's the MyFitSpark, you can consider the DC-102 Pro Plus. So this gives you a 2.7K resolution with HDR, gives you StarWest IMX335 sensor, gets you the same Pro ADAS features which we just saw in the DC-101 model, gives you 3.16-inch screen, gets you GPS and Wi-Fi, and is a high-end model for MyFitSpark right now, offering you a premium build quality and a sturdy build setup for this camera. So normally trends at about 8,999, that's 9,000 rupees. You are now currently getting this at 8,000 rupees, and as mentioned previously, you can grab a free hardware kit as well if you do purchase this camera straight up from the MyFitSpark website rather than Amazon. But if you don't want the hardware kit, you just want the camera, you can purchase it from Amazon using the extras SBI credit card discount. So I'll give you the links for all the Amazon pages as well, along with the website links as well for all the cameras which I have mentioned in this video. You can take a look at the link in the descriptions to check out the purchase links. That being said, moving on to the next best option, the previous workhorse for 70mm, the 70mm A500 normally trends at about 10 to 11,000 rupees, but right now is available at a price of about 9,200 rupees. Gets you a 3K resolution, gets you StarWest IMX335 sensor, gives you a refined ADAS features up to 2 to 3 ADAS features, and also gives you a GPS and parking mode options. So this was a previous gen workhorse. I really wouldn't recommend this unless you don't have a budget of 10,000 rupees, because what I would recommend is that the 70mm A510, the highest selling, the most popular dash cam in India, is now available at a price of around 10,000 rupees, specifically 10,500 rupees, which gives you the goodness of a StarWest 2 sensor, gives you a 3K 1944p resolution, and gives you many more value for money features. So this camera normally trends at 14,000, but now since it's available at 10,500, and if you do remove the 500 part, available at 10,000 rupees, totally worth your money deal. Rather than getting the A500s, I would strongly recommend going in with the upgraded A510 model. But if you're someone who prefers to have a triple channel setup, wants a better resolution, maybe a 4K resolution, and wants the price to remain the same, about 10,500 rupees, you have the option in the name of Redtiger A6, the newly launched triple channel dashcam from Redtiger. So in the dual channel mode, it offers you a 4K resolution from the front, an upscaled 4K, and a full HD from the rear. In the triple channel variant, it offers you a 2.5K front, full HD interior, and a full HD rear camera. This camera gives you 5 GHz Wi-Fi, gets you a 3-inch touchscreen, gets you voice control, and also gets a 64 GB card included. Now you can also consider the Nexdigitron Prime Plus, which too comes at a very similar price range, offers you a same kind of a resolution, that's 2.5K for the front and full HD interior and rear in the triple channel one, and of course gives you StarWest IMX415 sensor, native 4K resolution from the front, and a full HD rear in a dual channel mode. So all these options are right there. I recently made a video on the Prime Plus as well. So best of the best options, total value for money options for all the cameras which I have mentioned right now in this video. You can find the purchase links to all of these cameras right down below in the description. Find the one which suits your needs, select the one among which I have mentioned right now, and go ahead and grab these cameras right now, because these offers are not gonna stay for long, maybe for a day or two. From third day, Amazon usually bumps up the prices. So go ahead and grab them right now. Do not waste this opportunity, and do not waste this chance to save yourself a lot of money. I'll be bringing up another video highlighting all the StarWest 2 base dash cams only, and the ones which you should consider in this Great Indian Festival sale. Do not miss that video by hitting the subscribe button of my channel right now. See you in the next one.